Erica finally met her father and half-sisters after so many years. Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown housemate and reality TV star Erica Ngozi Iweala has finally met her dad, who she once said has only met her on social media. Last night, the reality TV star, who doubles as an actress, shared several videos of herself and the family having fun after so many years of not knowing much about each other.
She's good looking. I know I'm good looking too.
Thank you. But I look better.
She got a good looks for me.
No.
But guess what? I agree with her. Because the whole Africa, they say she's the most beautiful.
Is that a blush?
Recall that during the BB Naija 2020 show, Erica mentioned on several occasions that she hasn't seen her dad for once except on social media. She also revealed that she hasn't forgiven the man for making her not to know who he is and for the fact that her mom single-handedly nurtured, trained and sponsored her through school. It could be recalled that during a diary session with co-housemate Watoni in the BB Naija house, Erica made up her mind to forgive her dad because she doesn't want to come out of Big Brother Naija show and still hold any grudges against him or anyone. Meanwhile, in the recent video, which we exclusively chopped off